Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke Turbodiesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with a pretty noticeable 5-inch lift kit, giving you some extra height with some nice pocket-style fender flares to match the lift, and running boards down below so you can hopefully have an easier time getting into your big tall truck, and recently detailed so it's nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 pretty comfortably with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold out armrests with 2 cup holders, and then you have 2 more in the middle with a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet and a cubby there. Seats can also be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your lockable storage compartments underneath, which can be locked right here, and do actually have a 12 volt power outlet inside as well. And you do have heated rear seats. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors. And then you have 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, power adjustable pedals, I believe, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 156,635 kilometers. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at information for your trip A and B. And you can also go into your fuel economy and fuel history, truck apps such as your off-road status and towing status, or trailer status I should say. And then you do also have settings for some features around your vehicle, as well as your screen setup in general, and information such as warnings, the one warning being low fuel or lower fuel. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is, let's see, radio, Sirius, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD, and AV. So you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And the bottom right, you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, and also heated and air conditioned front seats. So you're going to be able to stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And then in the top right, you have your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls, which is trying to connect to a phone that is not available right now. Above that screen, you do also have this compartment where you have your AV, SD, 2 USBs, and a 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors. It will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, traction control shut off right there, and then down below you have a 12 volt and your diesel exhaust brake with a cubby beneath that. And on the right, you have another 12 volt as well as a 110 volt power outlet right here. Then you have your trailer brake controller and your 4 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you like. Moving on to your column shifter real quick, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stalk. Then down here in your center console area, you have 4 cup holders, which can be taken out and kind of moved around how you please, so that's kind of neat too. Have some extra storage under there as well, so that's nice. Let me just put that back before I forget. And then you have your center compartment here, / armrest, which is pretty spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another 12 volt power outlet right there. So there's always that too. And then looking back, you do have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a power moonroof up top, so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.